Are your Instagram notes mysteriously disappearing? Let's get them back. If you've been expecting to see your friends' notes but they're nowhere to be found on your Instagram, don't worry. This is a common issue that's usually easy to fix. We'll walk through the most common solutions step by step to get those updates back in your site. First, the most common fix: ensure your Instagram app is up to date. Head over to your device's App Store. That's the App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Instagram and tap Update if an update is available. Often, new features and bug fixes, like the Notes functionality, are rolled out with updates. Next, we'll clear Instagram's cache. This process can sometimes resolve glitches without deleting your account information on Android. Go to your phone settings, then Apps, find Instagram, and look for storage options. You should see a clear cache button. Tap it for iPhones. You'll need to uninstall and then reinstall the app to effectively clear the cache. But rest assured, it won't delete your login information. Now, let's check your app permissions. Go back into your phone settings, then Apps, select Instagram. Again, look for a section labeled Permissions. Ensure that all necessary permissions, especially those related to storage and potentially notifications, are enabled. Sometimes a missing permission can prevent certain features from working correctly. Sometimes the issue isn't with your app, but with whether notes are enabled for your account or region. While less common, it's worth a quick check if the above steps haven't worked. Ensure you're not using a very old version of the app and that the feature is generally available. With these simple steps, updating the app, clearing the cache, and checking permissions, you should be back to seeing all your friends' latest Instagram notes in no time. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.